One of the hardest things to watch as a lawyer, someone who was probably right, slowly make themselves legally wrong. Because the law does not only look at what happened to you, it also looks at what you did next. Say an employer discovers a serious stock loss and believes an employee was involved. That may be a very serious misconduct issue. There may be a real case to investigate, discipline, and if proved, dismiss. But then anger takes over. You insult the employee in front of others. You threaten them, you force admissions, you deduct money casually, you terminate them on the spot without a proper process. And now, the story has changed. The employer may still insist, but they stole from me. Maybe that issue can be investigated. But Kenyan employment law still asks separate questions. Was there a valid reason? And was there a fair process before termination? And this is where people get shocked. You can start as the person with the complaint and end up defending your own conduct, unfair dismissal, unlawful deductions, threats, humiliation, sometimes even separate civil or criminal exposure, depending on what happened. That is why legal advice is not only for people who are in trouble. Sometimes it is what stops a strong position from being a messy one. So remember, when emotions are high, procedure is not weakness, it is protection. Being wronged does not give you permission to become reckless. The law may understand your anger, but it will still judge your actions. Have you ever seen someone ruin a strong position by reacting badly?